Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This is George Raw. We are here on the BSC, the Batman Statue Collector channel. And this is another great premiere for me, because this is my first 1/2 scale piece. And although he is in disguise here, I think all of you know that this is the amazing Nightmare Batman from Prime 1 Studio. 1/2 scale, as I said, from the high definition museum master line of Prime 1. And this is a awesome, absolutely amazing piece here that I will show you now in a lot of detail so that you can enjoy all of the aspects here of this crazy amazing figure. So let us start off with one of the boxes here. So this is actually the smaller box, but they are both identical, so you get a very large one that includes the piece itself and all the accessories, and that smaller box here just includes the base. So it says Nightmare Batman here, high definition museum master line. You've got a nice graphic picture here from Batman's upper torso. You see the coat and also the glasses here and the scarf. That is C logo. Actually, I've got here you have the Batman vs Superman logo, by the way, on the top of the box. Got a pretty nice number, 007 of 500. And when we go around the box here, got a picture here of Gotham City or Metropolis, I'm not sure. I'm on Studio. Back side here, that's on the back here of Batman, so the back of his coat. So it's pretty nice that you have the back here and the front of Batman on the front and the back of the package. And same thing here, Batman sign. I believe that's Metropolis, probably, not Gotham. So overall, a very nice box design. I don't have any of the other 1/2 scale pieces. I think the boxes are a bit simpler, so this one here is great. So what else do you get? You get two of these nice logo stands here. So one is of course as you can see here, focus on that. So one is the Batman sign and one is the Batman vs Superman logo. So these are kind of a very nice lacquer here, piano style lacquer, black. Look really good, so you can place them here in front of the base actually, and that looks fantastic. So the base itself has this light up feature here. I haven't removed yet here these paper pieces here that avoid the contact of the electronic parts here during shipment. So they all four light up here. You have this battery casing here in front that goes out with a magnet, and then you can just turn these lights on, and you have a very nice effect here with that base. So other than that, the base itself is super detailed. It has this kind of piano black here, lacquer on the side and all of the sides of the base. You can turn this around. So it's pretty simplistic, but it's really very nice and doesn't take anything away from the figure. It tells a nice story. So you see that the surface here is this kind of, yeah, like a metal surface, really, really nice colors to it and texture. Looks really great overall. Lots of different colors and materials used here. Looks fantastic, and also reflects well this scene from Batman's Nightmare. This apocalyptic Gotham City or metropolis area with these kind of Nazi soldiers there in this Superman army. Is kind of a Injustice style scene where Superman turned bad actually and is a dictator. So the whole world stands in flames, and yeah, so this is very nice. He reflected here on this material, on the surface, on the base, in my view. Well, so turning to the figure, so you have these very well-known boots of this Batman suit, nicely reinforced here, very well painted. Nice vibrant colors here on the top of the boots here. Reinforced metal. Boots itself are leather, nicely textured, really, really cool. Same here with this one. Well, and then it starts to get different from the normal Batman figures. So you have this kind of military pants here, or more like a safari pant. So the colors are actually lighter here on video. So this pant it isn't really super dark. It's kind of an olive color. Try to show you that maybe if I... Yeah, it's difficult to see the real colors on video. That's probably the best I can get for you here. This view. So it's kind of an olive. It's darker than here on camera. And although it's not the exact same color as this arm bandages here, which I believe it was in the promo pics, so that the pants matched the colors here from the bandages. At least it looked like it. I can tell you that this coloring here of the pants is really good and fits the figure really perfectly. So these pants are fabric, so the whole figure is a lot of mixed media actually. So all of that is fabric. This is some kind of plastic material here put on the pants, these knee protectors. They're nicely designed, as you can see, with some battle damage. This one has even more scratches here in it. And then you have this nice strapped on holster here for the small gun here on Batman's right leg. So this gun is super well done. So this is polystone here. Straps are fabric. It's a separate piece that you have to put on here yourself on the statue, and this gun is fixed to the holster, so it's not removable. Looks really nice though. So this handle is really nicely designed. The holster has a lot of detail to it, nice coloring, really great. So maybe I can show you also the back here of the pants. Nothing special, to be honest. Looks all good, so you have to place the pants over the boots here yourself. So let's turn to the front again. So the figure, the whole body is one piece. So the upper torso, minus the arms, and of course the gun. But the torso and the pants and the boots, they come all in one piece. So the pants will not be placed super well when you unpack the figure, so you have to try to get them in place a bit better. And as I said, then you put on the holster, you put on the utility belt that you don't really see well here. That's this piece here. Let me focus here on that. So that's the utility belt. Wraps you all around his waist. Looks awesome. Let me see whether I can show you a bit of it at least. So here we go. Well, this is the well-known utility belt of the Batfleck Batman. And yeah, so you put that on. And then moving up here to the upper torso. This is all here some kind of fabric put over the polystone body. So this whole figure is, which I didn't know when I bought it, is actually mixed media. So this is, the upper layer is some kind of fabric material. It looks awesome. Design here, Batman logo, is again polystone. And well, the coat of course is fabric, the scarf is fabric, the strap here is fabric, the gun, then this piece here of the gun is fabric, the bandages are fabric, pants, and straps of the holster. So it's a lot of mixed media going on here. Well, upper torso, amazing. Batman sign, amazing. I love it. Let's move the Frank Miller inspired style here, as you know. Head sculpt. Crazy head sculpt. So this is here the one where the glasses are over his eyes and the scarf is hiding his face, but of course you can put the scarf down. So then you see here Ben Affleck's lower face part. And I mean, look at the details here, guys. So this 5 o'clock shadow here looks amazing. Go a bit closer here. So this looks awesome. The lips are great, super great details. Well, you can actually see all of Ben Affleck's specific face properties here. And then these glasses are really nicely done. You can see that they are a bit worn here on the sides, which is true to the movie. And then you can put these glasses up here so they hold in place. And then you've got Batman's face here in his whole beauty. Amazing details. I mean, 1/2 scale is so big. It's just really crazy. I can't believe it. I've bought this figure. So this will really give me a lot of trouble because now I want all the other 1/2 scales as well. So I'll see what I'll be doing with that desire. But I can tell you nothing else than that this thing here is amazing. So what P1 has done here with detailing and overall design of this figure is just amazing. So, and then we turn to the coat. I mean, the coat is of course the signature here of this Batman figure, and it looks awesome. So they really caught every detail here of the movie of the coat, especially even with this buttons here. So the broken straps here, the bottom of it, it's worn down there. It looks just fantastic, and it's so well painted. It looks awesome. It's pretty, so it's not thick at all. It's a very light leathery material. Probably it's real leather, I don't know. Also looks very good from the inside. Really nice. Well, then you have, of course, the great arms here with these bandages, green olive bandages. Nice gloves here that you know, of course, from the Ben Affleck Batman suit. Then he's holding here this magnifying glasses. Looks really good. Amazing. So the glasses are a separate piece, and the arm as well. So you have to put the glasses first into a hole with a peg in the arm, and then you place the arm here in place. The magnet is so strong that you can almost not remove it anymore. And then you've got this other arm here, same bandages. One figure here on the gun itself. It looks absolutely awesome. And the gun, I mean, is machine gun. It's crazy. So detailed. So this is a separate piece you have to put in here. It has these kind of fabric band here wrapped around it. No idea what that should what that should mean or represent. I have no idea. I've got this nice leather strap here going up and around his neck, coming down here, and the gun is put in place here with a peg on the hand. So detailed, and of course this is my favorite here. I have this little Joker card here placed and wrapped around the back end here of the gun. Looks awesome. So look at these details here of everything, of the buttons here, of the coat and the straps. And even the blades here are so well painted. Well guys, you see my enthusiasm of this figure is enormous. I really love it. It's just so cool. And the overall look of the thing is amazing. So I'll get you a final look here of it. So there are no switch outs. You have a lot of accessories, as I've shown you. No switch outs here. But it's absolutely unnecessary to have any switch outs. So you can change the appearance here of the head sculpt with the glasses and the scarf. So you could even put the glasses down to his neck if you wanted. Looks also cool. And this thing is just massive. It's over 1 meter tall. I think 1 meter and 10 centimeters. I don't know what that is in inches, but you can look all that up on the order page, the product page on the Prime One website. This beast is still available. I don't know for how long, so I would definitely recommend you, if you like this video and you love this style of Batman, that you are quick and order it. either from Prime 1, and I think it's also still available from Sideshow even. Well, thank you very much for watching. Thanks, Chris, for editing this video. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And visit our Facebook groups, the Batman Statue Collector group and the Prime 1 Collectors group, so that we can exchange our views on these amazing figures. I'll be back with another video review for the channel very soon. And until then, have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.